functional group and secondary suffix name. Secondary suffix name and secondary prefix name. Prefix name means when it is acting as substituent. If any functional group it acts as substituent, then we use secondary prefix name. So some functional, suppose when secondary prefix it is used for a functional group, when secondary suffix is used for a functional group, so just start with examples. So priority wise, so first priority functional group is RCOOH. It is known as carboxylic acid functional group. Carboxylic acid. And for this functional group, secondary suffix name is oic acid. Oic acid, and secondary prefix name carboxy. And second one RSO3H. So it is known as sulfonic acid. Sulfonic acid functional group. And its suffix name also sulfonic acid only. Sulfonic acid. And its secondary prefix name sulfo. And third one, next priority RCOOR. So దీన్ని ester అంటాం. It is known as ester. Suffix name O8. Prefix name alkoxycarbonyl. Alkoxycarbonyl. So this group, OR group, it is alkoxy group, and this alkoxy group it is attached to carbonyl carbon. Alkoxycarbonyl. Next one RCOX. RCOX. So it is known as acid halide. X may be chlorine, bromine, iodine, fluorine, anyone, any halogen. So in general RCOX acid halide. So its secondary suffix name oil halide. Oil halide. Suppose chlorine is there, so oil chloride. Bromine is there, oil bromide, oil fluoride, etc. Okay. So next, its prefix name, RCOX prefix name. So this halogen group or halo group, it is attached to carbonyl group. So it can be named as halocarbonyl. Halocarbonyl. And next, fifth priority, RCONH2. So CO means carbon, it is attached to oxygen atom with double bond, 2 bonds. So RCONH2. So it is amide. Acid amide antam ledante, also known as acid amide. Amide. So amide secondary suffix name amide only, and its prefix name carbamoyl. Carbamoyl or aminocarbonyl. Aminocarbonyl. Next functional group RCN. RCN, it is cyanide. Cyanide functional group, and its IUPAC suffix name, secondary suffix name is nitrile. Nitrile. And its prefix name when it is present as a substituent, so cyano. So I am giving both suffix name and prefix names. Suppose amide. So functional group amide, its suffix name is amide, its prefix name is aminocarbonyl or carbamoyl. What is the use of prefix name also for functional groups? So I am telling that these are the functional groups. Then what is the use of giving prefix names for these functional groups? Very good. More functional groups are present in the same molecule. If more than one functional group they are present in the molecule, then one priority functional group it is taken as main functional group, and the remaining functional groups, even though they are functional groups, and in that particular molecule they are considered as only substituents. So more priority functional group it is taken as a principal functional group, and remaining are taken as substituents. Suppose this cyanide group and amide group both are present in the same molecule, then amide it is more priority compared to cyanide. So then amide it is taken as secondary suffix, and cyanide it is taken as secondary prefix, that is substituent. It is considered as substituent. So if you know the priority order of functional groups, then you are able to give which is main functional group and a substituent. So it is very, very important to know the priority order of functional groups. When only one functional group is present, no problem. So then it is only taken as functional group. If more than one functional group they are present in a given molecule, then only more priority group, it is considered as main functional group. And the remaining groups, so whatever may be the number of remaining functional groups, they are treated as substituents. Emma follow avutunnaru kada? So main functional group ni maatrame manam so suffix name istam. మిగిలినటువంటి ఎన్ని ఫంక్షనల్ గ్రూప్స్ ఉన్న వాటికి ప్రిఫిక్స్ నేమ్స్ ఇవ్వాలన్నమాట. నెక్స్ట్ 7th వన్, ఆఫ్టర్ సైనైడ్ ఆర్ఎన్సి ఐసోసైనైడ్ అంటాం దీన్ని. Isocyanide. Please note down the priority order. It is priority order wise I am giving. So its a suffix name isonitrile or best name is carbylamine. Carbylamine. And its secondary prefix name is isocyano. Isocyano. If you are thorough with these functional group suffix names and prefix names and also their priority order, so then it is very, very easy for you to give a systematic name. If you know all the rules, you have to follow all the rules. Okay? Next 8th one, after cyanide, isocyanide, RCHO. RCHO. What is this functional group? Aldehyde. Aldehyde. And its secondary suffix name is al. Al. Its secondary prefix name formyl. Oxo can be used, but formyl is better one when compared to oxo, because for keto group oxo prefix name can be used. So al. Next, RCOR. After aldehyde, next priority group is ketone. Ketone, and its suffix name is one. O-N-E, one. Suffix name one. And its prefix name oxo or keto. So mostly it is oxo or oxy. Oxy also correct. Next 10th one, aldehyde, ketone. Next alcohol. Alcohol functional group. So alcohol suffix name ol, ol, and its prefix name hydroxy. When it is present as substituent, the name must be given as hydroxy but not as ol. Next, RSH. దీన్ని థయో ఆల్కహాల్ అంటాం. థయో ఆల్కహాల్, సల్ఫర్ ఉంది కాబట్టి థయో ఆల్కహాల్, RSH. సో ఇట్స్ సఫిక్స్ నేమ్ థయోల్, ఇట్స్ ప్రిఫిక్స్ నేమ్ మెర్కాప్టో. ఇది ఎక్కువగా రాదనుకోండి, మనకి చాలా రేర్ అన్నమాట. సో మెర్కాప్టో. నెక్స్ట్ RNH2. సో ఎమీన్ అంటాం, ఎమీన్స్. సో ఇట్స్ సఫిక్స్ నేమ్ ఆల్సో ఎమీన్, ఎమీన్, అండ్ ఇట్స్ సెకండరీ ప్రిఫిక్స్ నేమ్ ఈస్ ఎమైనో, ఎమైనో, ఎమీన్, ఎమైనో. After RNH2, carbon carbon double bond, alkene, and its suffix name ene, alkenyl when it is present as substituent. నెక్స్ట్ కార్బన్ కార్బన్ ట్రిపుల్ బాండ్, ఆల్కైన్ అంటాం, ఆల్కైన్, ఐన్, YNE, ఐన్. సో ఆల్కైనైల్, ఆల్కైనైల్. అండ్ వాట్ ఎవర్ ద గ్రూప్స్ I have given, so they acts as both functional groups, main functional group, and also they are also acting as substituents. But some groups, there are some groups which only acts as substituents. Always they act as substituents. They never act as functional group. So they are considered as only substituents or secondary prefixes. Substituent means secondary prefix. In IUPAC system, secondary prefix means substituent. Secondary suffix means functional group. Okay na? Primary suffix means an, ene, ein. An, ene, ein. Whether the carbon chain is saturated or unsaturated, that is given by primary suffix. Okay na? Suffixes are two types, primary suffix and secondary suffix. Primary suffix gives whether the carbon chain is saturated or unsaturated. Okay na? There are three primary suffixes, an, ene, ein. Only those three. And coming to secondary suffixes, number of secondary suffixes, they are given in priority order. Suppose in the same molecule, both aldehyde group and alcohol group are present. Both aldehyde functional group and alcohol OH group are also present. Both are present in the same molecule. Then which one is taken as functional group and which one is taken as substituent? Aldehyde is taken as functional group and OH group it is taken as substituent. If it is taken as substituent, the name comes as hydroxy but not as ol. So remember, so if that group it is acting as functional group or substituent, if it is acting as functional group, you have to use suffix name. If it is substituent, then you have to use prefix name.